Good morning everyone, myself Murali Reddy. In this video we are going to discussing about how to install GitBash in Windows. Let's see the demo. See, in Linux we can use the m command to install git, right? But when it comes to the Windows we have to install the GitBash. Go to the Google and type it here, GitBash download. And here we are seeing, right, git-scm.com. Click this one. And here you can see like whether if you want to install Mac OS, Windows, Linux. Here we are going to download Windows, right? The version is 2.39.0. Remember, in Windows, CentOS, Linux, they might be versions are different. No need to worry on that one. We are going to download latest version. Just click this download for Windows. Now here you have to click here to download. Okay, now it is going to download based on your internet. It will be download. The size is 50 MB around. Once the download is done, what you have to do, you have to open. Go to the download folder. Currently, if you see here, Git is download. Just double click this one. The download installation will be started. It will ask like yes or no option. Just click yes button. Now installation is started. Just click next. Remember one thing, the Git will be installed inside the C drive programs files. Okay. If you want to modify anything Git related, you can go to this program files and the Git folder. You can modify there. Next, next, next. You don't want to change anything. Just click next, next. Okay, next. Now the installation is started. It may take like 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, the installation will be complete. Now, if you see here, the installation is completed. If you want to read release notes, you can finish it, and otherwise you can uncheck it and finish. Now, how you can verify whether it is installed or not? Go to any location. Currently, I'm in desktop. Right click and go to the show properties. And here you can see like if it is the GitBash is installed, you can able to see these two options, Git GUI here and GitBash here. Okay, click this GitBash here. Now it will be open the GitBash terminal. Now you can work on whatever you want Git related commands. Okay, and also some of Linux commands also will be work. For example, LL command, it will be work. Okay, got it right? This is the process of installation of GitBash in Windows. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video.